In this class, we will discuss standard HTML document structure. So, the structure of a HTML document always starts with a tag called as HTML tag. This is a opening tag which indicates the web browser that the current document is an HTML document. And it ends, the structure of a HTML document ends with /HTML. So /HTML is a closing tag which indicates the web browser that this document, this is the ending of HTML document. So this HTML program or HTML structure again consists of two sections. So the first section is header section, which is defined by using head tag. So this is opening tag and this is closing tag. So HTML program or HTML structure contains two parts, header section and the next section is body section. So this is the starting of the body, this is the ending of the body. So we have already discussed earlier, header section is always used to define metadata, the data which describes another data. Body section always defines the content which is to be displayed on your web page. So, and again in the header section we will use a tag called as title, which is used to give the name to your document. So this is the standard HTML document structure. We will see with a simple example. So let us say I have taken a file like this, HTML, two sections, header section and body section. In the title I am writing something like this. First program. In the title section I am writing first program. Whereas in the body section I am writing welcome to HTML. So let us say for example this is my HTML document. This HTML document contains two sections, header section. In the header section I have defined title tag. In the title tag I have defined first program. So in the next section, that is body section, in the body section I have defined a content, welcome to HTML. Now consider that you are running this program on your web browser, then what will be the output of this program? So the output of this program is always displayed in a window. Output of HTML program is always displayed in a window. So that window contains two parts. So the first part is header part and the second part is body. So in the header section you have defined one thing, that is title. So this title gives the name to your HTML document, that is first program. So whatever you are writing here in the header section, that content will be reflected back in the header region. So here you will get first program. So whatever the content which is placed in the header section will be reflected back here. So now in the body section you have written something like this, welcome to HTML. So this content will be displayed on the web page, that too this content will be displayed in the body section of your web page. So the body section contains welcome to HTML. So this is your output program. So this is the sample program and that is the output. So this topic discusses standard HTML document structure. In this class we will discuss the standard HTML document structure. So this structure is given below. So it always starts with HTML tag and ends with /HTML. So here, so HTML defines the starting tag. So /HTML defines ending tag of HTML program. So inside this HTML program contains two sections. So the first one is body section and the second one is header section. So again header section is defined by using two tags, head/head. So this is the starting tag of header region, this is the ending tag of header region. So the second region is body tag, body section. So this is the starting tag for body section and this is the ending tag for body section. Again in the header region we will have two tags, that is title/title. this defines starting tag and this defines ending tag. So here the title tag is always used to give a title or name to your HTML document. We'll see one simple example. A HTML program that displays a simple text on your output screen. So here HTML program always starts with HTML tag and it ends with /HTML. So this is starting tag and this is ending tag. So HTML program always starts with HTML and ends with /HTML. So inside this HTML program we'll have two sections. The first one is header section and the second one is body section. So this is the starting tag of header section and this is the ending tag of header section. So this is the starting tag of body section, this is the ending tag of body section. So inside header section I am writing a piece of code like this, title. So which defines this title tag, this part. So this is the starting tag and this is the ending tag. This part defines a name or title to your HTML document. So inside this I am writing a statement like this, first program. So inside the body section, I am writing something like this, welcome to HTML. Now what will be the output of this program? We'll see the output of this, program here. So the output of HTML program will be displayed in a window. So this window contains two parts. So the first part is called as header section and the second part is called as body section. So here you have written something like this, first program in the header section. So that content will be reflected in header section. So you have written something like this, welcome to HTML in your body section of your HTML program. That part will be reflected back in your body section. So whatever the content you are going to write in the header section, that will be reflected back in the header section. Whatever the content you are going to write in your body section, that will be reflected back to your body section. So this is the sample output. So this is one previous question which was given in JNTU Kakinada question paper in the year October-November 2019, and it's a 7 marks question. Give a detailed note on standard HTML document structure. You have to explain it with a simple example.